Pocophone F1 gets huge discount on Flipkart. Is Pocophone F2 launch approaching? I'm Naveed, you're watching Checkout Tech. Let's find out. In August last year, Xiaomi sub-brand Poco entered the smartphone market with a splash when it launched the Poco F1. One of the key selling points of this device was the combination of its cheap price and its specs. Users were getting Snapdragon 855 for under $285 with some offer. This makes the Poco F1 one of its kind, at least in the Indian market. Everything fall in place for Team Poco, and around 7 lakh units of F1 were sold out in 3 months. Brand Poco was launched to take on the like Samsung, OnePlus and Vivo, and this was quite evident when Team Poco trolled OnePlus during OnePlus 6T launch. For those who have been on the edge about purchasing the Poco F1, we have some good news for you. News that may be good enough to push you toward final buying this smartphone. The Poco F1 price officially around $16,499, which around $235 currently. Poco days are live on Flipkart and miui.com. For those who want to purchase Poco F1, go and buy it now. So let's talk about Poco F2. While official discount can be offered due to various reasons, there is no denying the fact that one of these reasons when the company want to clear the inventory so the next phone can be launched. However, no proof to back up this speculation at the moment. Thought that not to say Poco F2 had not been in news at all. If I am not wrong, the Poco F2 rumor might start back in December last year when Poco India GMC Manmohan tweet about new Poco, but the new device turned out the Poco F1 Emerald Edition variant. Then the device spotted on Geekbench with nothing about specs to talk home about, but later it was found that listed was for the Poco F1 with modified name. Then in January this year, leakster and concept creator Ben Kiskin came up with a Poco F2 concept showing the device spotted an essential phone style notch. And recently the official Pocophone global Twitter account come up with a tweet that contain an image showing a no notch phone and back same as the Poco F1. This was indeed a Poco F2 design tease. It's safe to assume the phone would sport either a slider or a pop-up camera design. Would like to draw the attention render to another interesting pattern. Xiaomi announced the Mi6 around mid-April of 2017. Mi8 the successor was launched along with multiple variants in June 2018. However, Xiaomi unveiled Mi9 just a month ago, making Mi8 one of the shortest living flagship. They did same with new Redmi Note lineup with Redmi 6 Pro September-October 2018, Note 5 Pro February 2018. In less than 7 months, the Chinese announced Redmi Note 7 Pro on 28th of February, which were merely 4 months after the official release Note 6 Pro in India. If the Xiaomi decide to follow same rapid release strategy, we should see Poco F2 in May. Yes, in May 2019. The Poco F2 will come in May 2019. So let's talk about specification of Pocophone F2. This smartphone comes with Snapdragon 855, 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM option with microSD card dual SIM. This smartphone also comes with Android 9.0 with MIUI 10. This smartphone also comes with a better battery backup. So overall, the price will be little bit higher than F1. Let me know your thought in the comment section about Pocophone F2. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.